Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Simple Stamping Day. Today I want to show you a really great card using some of the Designer Series paper in the holiday catalog. Isn't this paper, oh I should bring you up so you can see it. Isn't this paper beautiful? Look at that. And one side has these pictures on it, the other side is silver foil paper. What we're going to be doing is we're just going to be using the Designer Series paper and a stamp. So the stamp set we are using, I just had it, is Toile Christmas. We are using Night of Navy stamping spot. I am using, even though this is Balmy Blue, I am using Seaside spray 8.5 by 5.5 sheet of cardstock. And then I am also using the Feels Like Frost. Now you can pick out any one of these. You could just take these and take a 6x6 frame and just frame these. Aren't these beautiful? Look at them. Look at that one. That one you could just frame just like that. Look at that. 6x6. You could put, you know, to put the name of the person you're going to give it to, their house or whatnot. And there's another one. Look at that. Now this one will look good on Rococo Rose. So I'm just going to take one of these. Let's see. I've got the Balmy Blue, so let's take this one. And I'm going to cut this down. I'm going to cut this down to 4 inches by 5 1/4, okay? And I'm going to take the 5 right off there, because I want this space up here because that's where I'm going to stand. Okay, so I'm just going to take the Seaside. Oh, and you're going to need glue dots or any type of adhesive you like. I like my glue dots. So I'm just going to take this and I am going to do the glue dots. Just like that. There. And then I'm taking the saying here. These are banners more. I've got the saying right here: may this season be filled with beautiful moments and happy memories for you and those you hold most dear. And I'm just going to ink up with the Night of Navy, and I'm going to stamp that up in the top. Simple stamping. There you go. Beautiful card. Remember to purchase your stuff, your Stampin' Up supplies from me. You can find all the information down below. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube over to the left. So thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.